We gotta go, man.
Well, I'm just trying to get all touched up and prettied up because you know I need this for the Octane Addicts TV episode right here at Buncombe Antique Show. I'm right here with the Glitter and Glory girls. Look at how beautiful they're making me look. They're making all these pinup girls look fantastic. I can't wait to see the rest of this episode.
What are you doing?
Man, I'm driving this Australian 55 Chevrolet owned by Roy, man. Check this thing out. Right-hand drive factory. When do you see that in the United States? Absolutely never. But if you're right here in Greenville and you know Roy, he'll let you drive it.
You're on the wrong side of the car.
Yeah, but it is the best driving 55 around. Matt, check out the flake on this roof. It's been done about 12 years, you can tell, but man, it is standing tall. Still got the pinstripe, got some Supremes with some white walls on it. That is just total classic lowrider style. And of course, every show we go to, there's always Fox bodies. And I know, Matt, everywhere you go, this car just follows you. I swear, you have not been to a show yet this year that this car... Probably not. Where did Sears?
You told me that last week.
Really? Nice. Where did the eyelashes come from? Matt's medicine cabinet. Ha! Of course, we got Lance Lefford 66 Mustang Coupe, 289 small block. We've seen it in a bunch of videos. How about a Firebird with a 455 in it? That's an old school you can get right there with a ram air. And then, of course, everybody knows if you're around anywhere, Spartanburg, Greenville, and ever been around racing in general. How about Greg Porter, the Night Stalker's Cotton Owens Garage factory truck? He searched for this thing forever and finally worked a deal out and has it. Still has the stake beds. Cotton Owen, if you've been in racing, you know who Cotton Owen is. There's none better. How about a gorgeous little 66 step side? Gorgeous little truck. Little Vortec LS 350 in it, probably a 5.3. Gorgeous little truck. Gorgeous little Impala small block. Now, this is my cup of tea right here. I love 66 Impalas. It is insane. A lot of people say 66. Well, yes. I do have 58, 59, I've had a 60, but I love the 66 style. This one is just beautiful, done to the nines, beautiful. I guess that's a mint greenish color, 327 small block, gorgeous car. Nice little 55 post over here. But how about another Impala SS? Small block, gorgeous red leather interior, beautiful, beautiful car. And for all you Ford guys, they called this the little bastard Thunderbird. But you know, I do a lot of shows every year and it is really starting to come on. This body style is really starting to come on. I kind of like it. It's always been a cool little car. Okay, for all you nostalgia people that are into some old school, cool hot rodding, how about Tim's Batson's little Nova wagon? Straight six, 2 4s, pumping out some ponies, son. I have been in this car, it will snatch the wheels off the ground. Out of a 6-cylinder. His son that works at Par Performance built the motor. It is bad to the bone. And then of course, for all you Mopar people, you know you gotta have a new Challenger all the time. This is a beautiful one, little blue. It's got the big chrome wheels on it. Can't ask for nothing nicer than that. Now this is a throwback. I remember when I was in high school and just got out of high school, these cars come out. And for some odd reason, I'm not 100% sure why, I wanted one. Now, could I afford one? No. But did I want one? Yes. It's just cool to see one still around. They're very odd, they're still around, but that's a very nice one. Now, we're talking some cool muscle power right here. How about a 1955 Gasser straight axle, street legal car, 4-speed, roll cage, got the American flag helmet in there, big hood scoop, twin 4s on it. That is just a cool everyday driver. I don't think he drives it every day, but he could. How about Bad Apple? I've seen this around a couple shows. I've never really got to do anything on it, but this is a 1934 Chevy Master Coach, as you can tell right here. Small block, gorgeous candy red paint job with black on it. Man, just smell that leather coming out of that thing. That thing is gorgeous. That is definitely a best of show contender right there. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Little C10 step side. How about a GTO? Small block, no, it's a 455. I'm sorry, I thought it was a small block. It is actually a big block stuffed in this thing. Carbon fiber, everything, black wheels, good looking truck. And of course, if you're around Greenville and you know John Gwynn. He's been around, he's a cool pinstriper. Make sure if you're looking up for some pinstriping, you go give him a call because he'll hook you up with everything. How about a 1955 Chevrolet pickup truck? Gorgeous blue. Everybody knows me. Blue is my color. I think I look good in this truck right here. Gorgeous soft tan interior in it. Chrome billet, everything. Old school kind of build, but my kind of build. I like this look. That's a pretty truck. That is a pretty truck. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get the Buick. I'm going to get the Buick. I'm going to get the Dub. I'm going to get that and that little Roadster. Well, first, I'm going to get this little Nissan hardbody. Wow, guys, I just was walking around. I have not seen this all day. Everybody knows me back in the day, and we talked about it on the radio show and some other stuff. I'm an old school mini trucker. I've had tons of them. I had them on the cover of magazines before. But how about a Nissan hardbody right here in Greenville? Old school graphics on it. You got 412 sitting in it. Camper top, painted out windows, billet wheels. I mean, that is just epitome of old school right there. Static drop. Bad to the bone, mini truck as it gets. All right, Matt, get this picture right here. This gorgeous guy right here with this microphone in this hubcap, it is just blinging. That's like my mirror. Now it's this 1928, big zoomies on it. That's my style, everybody knows it. Big block, gorgeous interior, laying on the ground. This is the epitome of my kind of build. We've been talking about doing a build, me and Rob and Matt, and I think this is something we need to do right here because this is just awesome all the way. Now it'd be kind of hard for us big guys to get in this, but we can remove the top so it's a little bit easier for us. How about a two-door Buick Special? When you say classic cruiser laying on the ground, this is what you're talking about. Black and white tuck interior roll. A lot of people call it tuxedo interior. It's beautiful. With some reds, big Coker white walls on it. Buick cars to me, a lot of people don't like them. Me, I love them. A lot of people in the hot rod world say, well, they're not really a hot rod. They're not really a cruiser. To me, they're epitome of cruising. They ain't a classic, they're a cruiser. Now, I just happened to catch this out of the corner of my eye when we're sitting here talking about this Buick. How about a big dub car riding around? I imagine these got to be 26s, 28s. They're huge. I know Greg Porter painted this in his shop about 5 years ago. I have not seen this car around in a long time. peanut butter gut interior, billet, steering wheel to match the wheels. I'm sure it's got this huge sound system in there. These things are bad. And it has a big built motor in it. All right, guys, you know, look what I found. I found me a Miller High Life old sign. I need to try to buy this. Of course, everybody knows, everybody calls me Miller in the racing world and just in general, of course, because that's my last name. But I'm standing here with Cassandra. She's the one that put on this beautiful show, and it has been amazing, Cassandra. Is there anything you want to say? Thank anybody.
Yep, I want to thank everyone that came out today and made this show a success. Thanks Danny and Gloria for letting us host this event where we have us today. And we just had a great time, and we're still partying. So we're about to do the pinup contest, give all the awards out. We're glad to have everyone, and we are going to have this again. So just keep us posted, and we'll keep you posted on when the next dates are too. So.
Thanks, Sandra, for letting us be out here and be a part of all this, and it has been great. I want to thank everybody for riding along with us right here at Octane Addicts TV. Hensley, what do you like about Mustangs so much? They're fast. They're fast as well. Are they? Yeah, are they faster than Mustangs, you think?
Oh yeah.
All right. What's your name, hon?
Harper.
Harper. All right, Harper.
You're here with your grandpa, aren't you?
Here with her grandpa in this hot rod. That name this thing, see?
Claire.
Anna Claire.
There. You want to do a little tour for everybody? Show them your beautiful dress? Woo! All right, guys. Okay, I want to hear it. Woo! All right. All right. This is number 2. Let's hear it. All right. Contestant number 3. Them tattoos look good on you. All right, girls. Let's see. Yeah, have y'all ever played rock, paper, scissors? All right. I love rock, paper, scissors. 3 wins this competition because you guys were so close to this. Okay, you all ready? Y'all know the rules, right? You know how to play rock, paper, scissors? Okay, y'all get ready. Get your position. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what did you just have? They both have scissors, okay? 1, 2, 3.